very warm and welcome evening to our chief guest, our guest of honor, our chairperson, sir, our secretary for the trust, distinguished guests, dignitaries, parents, principals, sir, teachers, and my dear students. It gives me immense pleasure and pride to welcome you all to this beautiful evening, where passion meets performance and Tarang 2026 becomes a celebration of talent, joy, and togetherness. एक सपना जो कभी खामोश नज़रों में पलता था, आज वह दृश्य बनकर सामने उभर आया है। जो एक सोच की परवाज़ लगता था, वो आज हमारी पहचान बनकर स्थिर खड़ा हो गया है। With utmost pleasure, I now present to you the annual report of our school over the past academic year. At the very outset, we bow in gratitude to the vision and dedication that has shaped our institution. Our school logo reflects our core values of knowledge, strength, and discipline. हमारा ध्येय आर्थ शांति फला विद्या अर्थात विद्या का परम उद्देश्य जीवन में शांति और कल्याण की स्थापना करना है. We believe that the true purpose of education is to bring peace to the troubled mind and well-being to the society. Chapter 1 of our journey focuses on infrastructure, the foundation on which excellence is built. At Veena Vidya Niketan, infrastructure is not just about buildings. It is about creating a safe, inspiring space that encourages learning, innovation, and holistic development. Our ICT labs empower students with hands-on technology, fostering innovation, digital skills, and future-ready learning. Our science labs encourage inquiry through hands-on experiments, nurturing curiosity, critical thinking, and scientific temperament. Our geography lab brings concepts alive through maps, models, tools, fostering spatial understanding and curiosity. Our extended library, enriched with thousands of books and digital resources, continues to nurture curiosity, research, and independent learning. Our swimming pool promotes fitness, discipline, confidence while nurturing sportsmanship and overall well-being. Our playground and cricket academy nurture teamwork, discipline, and sporting excellence through structured training. Together, these spaces empower our students to explore, engage, and excel. Academic excellence continues to remain the strongest pillar of our institution. This year has been marked by remarkable scholastic achievements and consistent intellectual growth across all levels. Moving beyond rote learning, we've embraced a blended learning approach that encourages conceptual clarity, application-based understanding, and independent thinking, ensuring holistic academic development of every learner. I feel elated to share that efforts have been culminated in 100% results in both class 10th and 12th. Our students have also brought laurels in competitive examinations. Abhyanand Pandey achieved an outstanding 98 percentile in JEE Mains 2025, and carrying this legacy forward, Sneha Bharti has also successfully qualified JEE Mains this year. Our emphasis on conceptual understanding and critical thinking is reflected in our students' performance at SOF Olympiads, with several Olympian gold medalists and zonal rank holders, reinforcing our commitment to academic rigor and excellence. We strongly believe that exposure brings out talent. On World Heritage Day 2025, held at the historic excavated remains of Kumhar, Patna, our students showcased expressive skills. Ramji Pandey, class 8A, secured the first prize, while Shivanya Pandey, class 7A, won the second prize in the essay writing competition. True education, however, extends beyond classrooms. For holistic development, encompassing physical, emotional, social, cognitive, and spiritual growth, we actively engage the students in experiential learning platforms. Through Eureka 2.0, the science exhibition, students developed a scientific temper and a problem-solving mindset. This spirit of innovation was further elevated at the Patliputra Sahodhya School Complex Mega STEM exhibition, where our students showcased creative models with real-world applications. For the overall growth of every child, we conduct regular parent-teacher meetings focusing on academic performance review, behavioral and classroom participation feedback, strength and improvement planning, building a strong communication bridge between parents and teachers. Together, these initiatives ensure that learning at Veena Vidya Niketan remains purposeful, progressive, and student-centric. अब तक की हर उड़ान पर नाज है हमें, आगे की हर उड़ान का विश्वास है हमें। हर उपलब्धि का जश्न मनाते चलें, आइए हम हर सफलता के नए शिखर पाते चलें। We strongly believe that education is complete only when learning is joyful, experiential, and value driven. We organize engaging indoor activities such as yoga sessions to build mindfulness and discipline, magic shows to spark curiosity and imagination, and celebrations like Ice Cream Day to add moments of joy and togetherness to school life. We celebrate Mother's Day with deep emotion and gratitude, encouraging students to express love and respect for the first and most influential teachers in their lives, their mothers. Through our summer camp, we ensure that learning continues beyond classrooms in a joyful manner. Our summer camp blended swimming, art, craft, and recognition, nurturing creativity, confidence, and joyful learning. On the occasion of Environment Day, we collaborated with Tarumitra to prepare seed bombs, helping students understand environmental responsibility through hands on action and sustainable practices. We celebrate Sawan Mahotsav to connect our students with nature, culture, and seasonal traditions, fostering a sense of belonging and appreciation for India's rich heritage. Through Vriksha Bandhan, we instill respect for nature and environmental responsibility, while Janmashtami celebrations with Fancy Day and Matka decoration help students connect with cultural values, traditions, spirituality in a joyful and meaningful way. We celebrate Diwali with diya making and rangoli competitions, bringing alive the festive spirit while encouraging creativity and teamwork. Our Christmas celebrations reflect the spirit of secularism, spreading messages of peace, love, and harmony among all. Every day begins with regular morning assemblies, and we also conduct special assemblies that are thoughtfully planned to reinforce academic values, moral lessons, and current awareness while nurturing communication skills and stage confidence. We actively encourage spoken activities, debates, passcode exercises, enabling students to express their thoughts confidently and think critically. To complement classroom learning, we organize educational trips and outdoor exposures, allowing students to learn through real life experiences and broaden their perspectives and be prepared for life beyond school. Through our Student of the Month initiative, we celebrate students who demonstrate academic sincerity, discipline, leadership, and commendable conduct. In order to inculcate the core values of integrity and self governance, this year we established the VVN Sentinel Squad. This wasn't just an appointment, it was a rigorous journey from democratic elections to the solemn investiture parade. Whether it was the precision of the march or the pride of receiving their badges, these moments captured the birth of a new leadership tier. Culminating in their felicitation on Republic Day, these sentinels have become the guardians of our school's discipline and are well known as the school warriors. But the true success of the Sentinel squad lies in their impact, not just their titles. The results speak for themselves, not just in our hallways, but in our homes. As parents testified, the squad has transformed their child's confidence. They see a true leader even at home now. This is the Vivian legacy in action. Chapter 5 brings us to Spradha, our annual sports meet. Here in our school, sports are more than medals. They're a classroom for discipline, teamwork, and resilience. This year, over 1,000 student athletes came together across athletic, team games, and traditional sports. Every race, run, every match reflected the spirit of effort and true sportsmanship. From collective participation to individual excellence, I am immensely proud to present our state karate champions. Anshika Bharti from class 11 led the way with a stellar first position, followed by our younger star, Ishika from class 5 and Abhya from class 5. Our spirit of excellence extends beyond our campus. At the inter-school chess and carom competition held at Gyan Niketan, our students showcased strategic thinking and teamwork, securing 3 trophies. Whether on the field or at the chessboard, the Vivian spirit of excellence continues to shine, proving that at Veena Vidya Niketan, nurture not only athletes but true leaders in every arena. Our journey of excellence just doesn't produce great athletes, it builds a world class institution. We were honored with India Top Schools Award 2026 at ELROC India K-12 Summit for our excellence in cognitive skill development programs. This prestigious accolade highlights our commitment to more than just traditional academics. Furthermore, our standing in the community has never been stronger. As featured in the Times School survey, we've been ranked among the top 10 schools in Patna Central. These awards are a testament to our collective hard work, the teachers, the parents, and most importantly, our students. We continue to strive for a standard where excellence is not an act but a habit. This annual report is a testament to the shared vision of the VVN family. I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to our chief guest, Dr. Ashok Chaudhary, sir, our guest of honor, Mr. Sayan Kunal, our chairperson, sir, our secretary, ma'am, everyone who's present here, thank you for sparing us with your patience, presence, and time. And this day would have not been half as successful had you all not been with us. Our achievements this year are not just milestones, they're a reflection of the trust our parents place in us and the dedication of the faculty. Thank you all for being a part of our journey. Together, let us continue to strive and excel. Thank you and have a very wonderful evening. Thank you.